If you want to learn an easy bridal hairstyle that lasts all day, this video might be for you. Hi, I'm Ayman and welcome to day 3 of Style Hair with Ayman. Today, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful khopa hairstyle that looks just perfect on Maharashtrian brides. So if you're interested in learning, then please keep on watching. The bride had super long hair, so I took my own sweet little time to prep the hair really well. Hair prep mein I just did a proper blow dry. Here's a pro tip for you guys. Hair prep is the most important step before styling any hair because उससे finish बहुत clean आता है and frizz भी काफ़ी अच्छे से control हो जाता है. I quickly curled all of her hair from the roots off camera. Curling से hair styling में एक अच्छा texture मिलता है and also it helps create volume and gives a really good base for the hairstyle. Now what I'm doing here is I've taken a middle parting and pulled all her hair back and I'm securing it with the bobby pin. For securing the hair, bobby pins ही best होते हैं because इनसे hair को एक proper grip और hold मिलता है. Now I'm just slightly pulling that curl ka texture out, enhancing it a bit and smoothing it out. This particular step I feel is an important step because it helps in achieving that clean and polished finish. Now I'm taking two vertical sections from both the sides and creating a small ponytail. In the same exact way, हम ऐसे ही 3 ponytails create करेंगे. This would form the base for the khopa. For this particular hairstyle, I'm not taking any clean sections. I'm just randomly taking the sections for the ponies. Taking the last pony from the nape of the neck and then tying it. So what I did was I added small little braids to each ponytail and now I'm twisting and gently pulling them to create volume. This step would help make the khopa look fuller. Now comes the most easiest part of the khopa. Once you are done pulling and twisting it, all you have to do is just wrap it around and secure it with either a U-pin or a bobby pin. Make sure कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे से secure कर रहे हो with the pins because this is the step that would lock the hairstyle and make it super long lasting. Here comes my favorite part, adding flowers to the hairstyle. And with that, we've completed the hairstyle. Wasn't it so easy? If you do recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. I'd love to see those recreations. And if you found this video helpful, as always, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.